We have toured some of the best homes around the world, and today, with the help of Fiverr, we're going to walk through how I would design my own personal bedroom. To accurately show the design I have in mind, I headed to Fiverr's website, searched for freelancers to help with the virtual staging. I found a few great options and decided to hop on a call with Kashra to see if he was up for the challenge. After our call, Kashra immediately got to work and the result was exactly what I had pictured. We started off with a minimalist-based design, which is located in a home we toured recently in Los Feliz. It's a beautiful bedroom, but personally, I thought it could include a bit more color. So we started off with swapping out the duvet cover on the bed. While we were at it, we decided to increase the size of the headboard to fill up the space on the back wall and incorporate a painting to add some art as well. We swapped out the nightstands and the rug to bring a more cohesive look, and to finish it off, we replaced the chandelier above to the one that is a bit more simple, and voila! Just by making those small adjustments, you can see it totally transformed the room. Whether you're moving to a new home or just passionate about interior design, I hope these renderings help draw some inspiration to your mood board. And if you want to create some renderings on your own, then make sure to head to fiverr.co/ns to check out the services available and use code NS10 for 10% off.